It's 404 day in the ATL, shawty. So here are my top 4 Atlanta lemon pepper wings recipes. Watch this. This is what happens when you're raised in Atlanta, but then you move to Texas. Smoked lemon pepper wet. Watch this. Clean and pat dry 2 pounds of chicken wings. Add olive oil, and then for flavor, we're using that Atlanta lemon pepper hot. Nice and spicy and tangy at the same time. Get it from uncledibbz.com. Add a little bit of lemon zest and then toss to combine. Now out here in Texas, it's all about that smoked meat, but I don't have a smoker, so I'm gonna show you how to make a smoker out of your regular charcoal grill. First, let your charcoal get nice and hot. Use a chimney starter, it makes it a lot easier. Dump the coals out and then add a nice piece of post oak wood. On the opposite side, fill a foil tray halfway with water. Since we're doing lemon pepper wings, add a couple lemons to that water. Let your smoker come down to about 225 degrees Fahrenheit. We're doing this nice, low, and slow. Once you're at the right temperature, add your chicken wings. Make sure they're not touching so that they can cook evenly. Before you close your grill, lay 1 piece of wood right next to your chicken so that it blocks the heat from cooking your chicken directly. We're gonna cook these at 225 for 3 hours. Halfway through, give your chicken a flip, then close the lid for another hour and a half. Now in ATL, we like our lemon pepper wet. To make the wet sauce, add 1 cup of unsalted butter and let that melt. Then add some fresh chopped parsley and then some more of that Atlanta lemon pepper hot seasoning. Finish it off with a little bit of fresh lemon juice. By this time, your wings should be at 165 internal temp. Put them in a bowl and then drizzle that lemon pepper wet sauce all over those wings and give them a nice toss. You know it's Team Flats all day, but if you want to make this recipe, make sure you visit the link in my bio. That's good, shorty. First, season up your chicken with that Uncle Dibbz Atlanta lemon pepper mild. Make sure all the chicken is coated. Then place your chicken on a baking rack and coat with just a little bit of cornstarch on each side. Bake at 375 for 45 minutes. While that's cooking, it's time to make the wet mix. Melted butter, more seasoning, and whisk it together. Once the chicken is done, place it in the wet mix and give it a nice toss. Add some fresh lemon juice and a little bit of fresh parsley, and you're good to go. See the flavor? Let's try it out. That's good, shawty. First, coat your wings in canola oil, and then go ahead and season them with that Uncle Dibbz Atlanta lemon pepper mild. Get it from uncledibbz.com. Throw your wings on a baking sheet. Before they go in the oven, add a little bit more of that Atlanta lemon pepper mild to them. Hit it in the oven, 375, for about 45 minutes. While they're in the oven, we're gonna make our honey lemon pepper sauce. Melted butter, honey, some more of that Atlanta lemon pepper mild, some fresh lemon juice, then give it a nice mix. Flip your chicken after 45 minutes. Go ahead and give them a toss in a nice sauce. Try not to drop your chicken, and you're good to go. That's good, shawty. This recipe's so easy, y'all. All you need is some oil and this seasoning right here. My Uncle Dibbz Atlanta lemon pepper hot. Get it from uncledibbz.com. Season up your chicken, throw it in the oil, get it to 165 internal temp, pull it and set it to the side. I'm from the ATL and we do our lemon pepper wings wet. For the wet sauce, melt 2 sticks of butter, some more of that Atlanta lemon pepper hot seasoning, little parsley, some fresh lemon juice. Toss your wings in it, get them nice and wet. You know how I do, 10-piece, half drums, half flats, and a side of ranch. That's good, shawty.